Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start right now, unlock your phone and make sure you remember your passcode. You will need it. Once done, tap Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. The screen lists recognized faces and toggles for features like iPhone Unlock and App Store. You're beginning the removal process, so identify the specific Face ID entry you want removed. Make sure the device is charged enough so it won't sleep mid-process. This avoids interruptions and keeps the settings responsive. Tap the Face ID profile labeled as Face 1 or the name shown. You'll see options. Select Delete Face to remove only that person, or Reset Face ID to clear all enrolled faces and start fresh. When you press Delete Face, the system asks for your passcode. Enter it to authorize. Once you confirm, the phone erases the facial map from secure storage. Make sure to wait for the confirmation. If it returns to the Face ID screen, the deletion completed successfully. After deletion, immediately reopen Face ID and passcode to verify the entry is gone. No named faces should remain. If the face still appears, restart the phone and recheck. Transient glitches often clear that way. If problems persist, choose Reset Face ID to wipe all data, then re-enroll only your own face. As a troubleshooting tip, make sure iOS is up to date. Software updates often resolve recognition or settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.